Hey folks, what's going on? This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin here. Hey, guess what? Got a shirt on. Are you proud of me? Are you happy that I have a shirt on in this video here? Hey, guess what? I'm in my bathroom right now, okay? Now listen, I know this is going to sound very crazy here and weird, okay? But what I'm about to show you is a bathroom trick that made me rich. We're in my bathroom right now. Okay, we're in my bathroom. Okay, and no, I'm not going to show you guys my bathroom because it's dirty, because the maid hasn't showed up, so no. But I'm going to show you something right now, and I promise you it's not going to be disgusting. It's not going to be nasty at all. It's going to be something that's going to be very powerful that you can do right now where you are to start to manifest riches. Now listen, when I first heard about this, I was like, no, come on. That cannot work. But when I understood the science behind it, then I got it, okay? And I've made, I don't know. My net worth is about, you know what, Google me. If you want to know what my net worth is, go to google.com, type in Wesley Virgin net worth. I don't need to share it on video. It is what it is, and it works, okay? And stop looking at those shoes in the back, okay? Stop looking at the shoes. What I'm going to show you real briefly in this video here, okay, is the simple bathroom trick that you can use that made me rich, okay? And I can't promise you that's going to make you rich, but I promise you this, if you do it, it'll help you along the journey, okay? And I'm going to explain the science behind it as well. Hey, can you listen, please? Can you look at me? I can tell you're getting distracted here. Look, turn your notifications off, okay? Focus on me. Capitulation. Surrender to me, okay? Let me show you. Let me switch the camera around here. Look, you know when you bathe, how many of you use washcloths when you bathe? You know when you bathe and you want to clean that body, you want to get nice and clean, okay? As a matter of fact, let me give you guys some advice. Now, don't ever use loofahs. That's disgusting. I don't use this. Somebody bought that for me, but don't use that. That is nasty. That is dirty, because you cannot. Listen, if you clean your body with a loofah and you think just by washing it off, it's going to clean. Listen, you're not cleaning that loofah. That thing is nasty. It's disgusting. It has bacteria. You got to get a new towel, okay? All right. Now listen, back to what I was talking about here. You see this towel right here? On all my towels, I place my goals, okay? King West. I'm a king, okay. Billionaire. It used to say millionaire, by the way. Like I did this. Now listen, true story. When I was in my small apartment, and obviously I couldn't afford a Versace robe. You see, that's one. I couldn't afford Versace robes like this, right? I was on an air mattress, right? But every towel, okay, and I'm going to tell you where to get these from. Every washcloth that I own in my little itty bitty apartment, okay, years ago, it had millionaire, okay? Millionaire. King West, okay? Every towel. Hello? Every towel. Sorry, Lupe. She's going to have to clean this up. I apologize. See that? Billionaire. Hello? Does that make sense? Now, let me give you guys the science behind that. How many of you right now are getting ready to go to Walmart and get yourself some towels and you're going to put millionaire on it? Should do it. Okay? Now listen. Let me give you the science behind this. First of all, remember something about the mind. Repetition is the mother of skill. That's what I share in my course below. The course is in the description below. But listen, smash the like button if you believe this. Anything that you see or focus on in life, you will attract to your life. I mean, it's just that simple. Anything that you think about for a very prolonged amount of time, you will attract it to your life. Does that make sense? Some of you got negative friends. Have you ever thought why you're so negative all the time? you just feel bad all the time. You feel negative all the time. You feel depressed because you're around negative, depressed idiots. Okay? You're around all those idiots, that always depressed and down about their life and say, man, I'm tired of working this job and God, please show me a way. Don't be like an idiot. Okay? No offense, just the truth. Listen, whatever you see over and over again in a subliminal way, okay, it's influencing you. Okay? It will influence you. Okay? Let me ask you a question. Look, let me show you something. You see this TV right here? How many commercials do you need to watch before you buy the product? You ever thought about that? The Burger King, the McDonald's, the fries. You don't think about it. You see these commercials over and over and over again. Liberty, 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 liberty. I can't get it out of my mind. Right? Liberty, liberty, liberty. I didn't try to remember that. It was subliminal. Smash the like button if you know that commercial. Those stupid insurance people. They understand that repetition is the mother of skill. Okay? Come here. Come here. Come here. Right now. Look. How many of you smash the like button if you take a shower every day? Okay. How many of you take a shower every single day? Now, Wesley Virgin, I take 3 showers a day. Right? Because I'm dating this young lady that says every time you go outside, you got to take a shower. So I take more, right? Smash the like button, okay? If you take a shower every day, don't you use a towel every day? Think about it. So what I'm doing is I'm priming my mind unconsciously in a very subliminal way that I'm a billionaire. Right? You got to do the same as if you want to become a millionaire. Because right now you don't believe it. That's why you're watching Wesley Virgin. You're watching me because you want to believe that you're actually rich. Even though you have no money in your bank account, you got debt, you got a 9-to-5 job, and you're about to kill your boss. You're watching me because you're trying to create the belief that you are rich now. But listen, and I explained this so eloquently in my course, that your brain works by repetition, okay? Which means is you can put the towel. And guess what? You can go to Amazon.com. I'm going to leave a link below. But first, I'm going to leave a link to my course. In the course, I'll show you where to get these type of towels. $5, okay? They'll do it for you. Put what you want to become on the towel. I'm the greatest artist of all times. Put it on the towel. You want to be a doctor? Say, I am a doctor now. You want to be a successful entrepreneur? Say, I am a successful entrepreneur now. You want to earn $10,000 per month? I earn $10,000 per month now on the towel. Is that resonating with you? Smash the like button. I can see you. How many of you tonight, and listen, I know some of you are very broke, and I get it, because I used to be broke too, so I'm not throwing rocks at you. Some of you are struggling. You say, Wesley, I have no money to buy these towels. This is what I want you to do. I want you to go find yourself a marker. I want you to find yourself a pen. And listen, I know that sounds comical, but I did it too. Because at one time, I couldn't afford those towels, even though they cost $10. But I got a marker. I swear to God. There's something about rich people. We do some of the most uncommon, unusual, crazy things in life. But it works, okay? Because remember, the key to having an abnormal, unusual life, like traveling around the world, first class, buying exotic cars, that's unusual, right? Which means it is not normal. It's not normal to have 8 luxury cars, which I have. It's not normal to have over 20 different rental properties. It's not normal to have millions of dollars in your bank account like me, okay? So you have to be willing to do what's not normal now. So you get a marker, okay? You take a towel, and you put exactly what your goal is. Whatever your dream is, you write it on the towel. So when you're washing your little nasty body, you want to look at that towel every time, every stroke. Like when you cleaning yourself, clean your crack and your legs and your arms here, right? And that little area, you know what I'm talking about? Listen, you want to make sure that you're able to see your goal. It's in the course. See, rich people don't talk about this. I do. I'm here to expose all the very interesting things rich people do to become the people that we are right now. Okay? I love you. I want you to do it now. That's a bathroom. To every towel that's in your bathroom, I want you to write exactly the person that you're trying to become. Write it on that towel now. Okay? If that makes sense, I want you to comment below if that makes sense. And then I want you to show me some love. I want you to sub to the channel. And I want you to hit the like button because I have another video coming for you soon. If you want the course to really understand deeper how you can manifest your dreams in a very unusual way, the link is below. Listen, some people will, some people won't. Doesn't matter. The people that understand that right now something needs to transition in their life, they're going to get the course. Some people say, well, I need to hear more. And some of you are just skeptical, and that's okay. But don't wait, and don't wait too long. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go! Motivated! Dedicated! Let's go! Later, folks.